Hello and welcome to another video. If you do like our videos, please remember to subscribe so that you can get notifications as soon as we have a new one. In this video, however, I want to talk about overlooking the impact of joint ownership, and I want to talk about the potential pitfalls. This is a broad field and we can maneuver down a wide road. But in order to channel what this video is about, I'm going to talk about joint tenants, and then I'm going to talk about joint tenants with the rights of survivorship. So you may be thinking about joint tenants, does it mean being married? It doesn't matter. What I want to talk about fee simple ownership, and that's fancy lawyer term of meaning you own all the sticks, all the ownership rights to the property. You own the surface rights, you own the land, and even if you don't own the mineral rights, you own the property. You can put a house up, you can live on there, you're responsible for the taxes. That is your fee simple real estate property. Then you may be thinking about joint tenancy. So you own this property with someone else. In Texas, it's common. You own the property with your common law spouse. You own the property together and individually. Your community property rights are tied up in it, whether your name is on the property or not. As long as the property is acquired during your marriage, it's assumed that it's community property, and therefore you guys are joint tenants. You may have your name on the deed, and so we want to treat it as that. You may be in a situation where you purchase the property with a sibling, you purchase the property with another investor, you purchase the property with a friend, and you guys are joint tenants. In a situation like that, what are the pitfalls? Well, for one, if the other joint tenant passes away, their heirs may come in line to take their share. And their heirs may be people that you don't want to be associated with. Maybe a cantankerous brother. It may be a group of people who want to develop the property in a way that you don't want to, or may file a lawsuit on there trying to partition and sell the property when you and your friend had originally wanted to hold the property to watch it appreciate, then you sell it. So that's one of the pitfalls of joint ownership. You cannot control what happens to that other person's share. They may want to leave it to somebody else. They may sell it to someone else, and you can't stop someone from alienating or selling their share in the joint tenancy plane. So let's look at another situation. Joint tenancy with the rights of survivorship. I do not like joint tenancy with the rights of survivorship, especially if I'm the one that passes away first. Well, if you're not the one that passes away first, then you love it because you get the whole property even though you originally had only your portion. So you have joint tenancy with the rights of survivorship. The person who dies first loses. The person who dies second takes everything. So if you own joint tenancy with the rights of survivorship, take out your gym membership and just start working out, because your job then is to just outlive the next tenant. My name is Megan Trowick, lead estate planning attorney here with the law office of Brian Fagan, where we treat you like family, if not better. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.